Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 game crashing at startup or black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements. So for that, go to Steam and in the store option here you have to search for the game, and after that go below, and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on library section, and here you have to select your game. Now I'm showing you an example. Right click on it. Now click on properties. Now after that, here in the launch option you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If you still face the same issue, come back, remove the launch option, and after that go to the next method. Next is to run the game from installation folder. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select your game application. Now after selecting the game application, double click on it and check whether it's launching or not. If not, then you have to run the game as administrator. For the right click on it and now click on properties. Now click on compatibility. Here you have to select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If you still face the same issue, come back, deselect all of these and click on apply and OK, and then move to the next method. Next method is to revert to Vulkan. So for that, what you need to do is press Windows plus E to open the file explorer. After that, click on this PC, then open C drive. Now click on the users folder, then open your username folder. After that, go to documents folder. Now open Rockstar Games. Here you have to select Red Dead Redemption 2 game, then click on settings. After that, you have to look for system.xml and then rename it. After you rename it, run the game. This will create a new file and the game will run easily. Or you can also go to open the documents folder first, then go to Rockstar Games, select your game, click on settings. Now open system.xml with notepad++. After that, look for this and you have to change it to this. You have to change dx12 to Vulkan, and after changing it, launch the game and then check whether it's opening or not. If not, next method is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand the display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once your graphics drivers are updated, now try to launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. Now after that, click on firewall network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, you have to click on allow another app, then go to the browse section. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Now after adding it, select the game application, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, and then click on OK and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, move to the next solution. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to the Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once the game files are verified, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to set affinity. So some people have resolved the issue by reducing the CPU amount to number 8. What you have to need to do is just you have to go to Windows search. Now search for Task Manager. After that, go to the details. Now here you have to select the game, right click on it, click on set affinity, and here you have to uncheck all the CPUs whose number is below 9. So simply select all of this, uncheck all of this, and then tap on OK, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option and click on settings. Now after that click on in-game, and here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Now after disabling it, launch the game and check. GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general, and here switch off in-game overlay options from there. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, and switch off enable in-game overlay options from here. Next method is to run SFC scan. So you simply need to copy this command. I have already given in the description. You have to go to the Windows search. Now search for command prompt. So search for command prompt, and after that you have to paste this command and press enter. This will scan for any corrupted system files and replace them automatically, and after that try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to check graphic settings of the game. So when a graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. You are suggested to turn off vsync or triple buffering if required. You are also suggested to change it from Vulkan to DirectX 12 or do vice versa for graphics API in the advanced setting option. And if other settings are not properly set up, you are suggested to set it up properly and lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Once you've done it, now launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, and this will search if there is any update available. If yes, you have to update your Windows to the latest version, and after that check if it's working now. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled, such as NVIDIA Shadow Play or MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. So once done, try to play the game. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Website opens, go below. From here, you have to download the in Visual C++ file. For that, click on the link and this will download the file. After it is downloaded, open it, and here you will get repair or install option. So whatever you get, click on it. Now wait for some time unless you get a setup successful message. Once you get it, click on close. Now after that, restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to change virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, select custom size. In the initial size, you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size, you have to type 24576. And then click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, you are suggested to disable antivirus program. So if you are having any kind of antivirus program installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it, and the best way is to add the game as an exception. So what you need to do is go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Now go below. Here you have to click on manage settings. After that, go below, click on add or remove exclusion, and now here you have to click on add an exclusion. Click on folder. Now after that, go to the game folder where your game has been installed and add it to the exclusion, and after that launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to perform a clean boot. So for that you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to go to the services tab. Now click on hide all Microsoft services and then click on disable all. Once done, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. After that, here you have to select the application and now click on disable all. Once you've done it, go back, click on OK, and after that restart your PC and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows, search over here. Now search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on this, will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, add it to the list. Now after you add the game to the list, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to play the game and check. If this doesn't resolve the issue, then the final solution is to reinstall Red Dead Redemption 2 game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, here you have to select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. After your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Red Dead Redemption 2 game and then try to launch the game by clicking on the play button and check whether it's launching or not or opening or not. So by following the methods suggested in this video, you can easily get rid of the crashing or crashing at startup or black screen or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.